Today I'll be showing you how to record your screen on Canva. So let's go over to, we're on Canva homepage right now. So if you don't have Canva, you could go up and register with Canva. I will leave my link in the description box. You could use my link to register. So come over to canva.com. If you don't have Canva, just register with your email or your Google account. You could go through your Google account, not putting the email, whichever one that is better for you. Use that. So we're going to be choosing the video doc type to do this for the purpose of this recording. So we're going to be creating a blank video. So let's click on this. So it opens up the doc type. We chose video doc type. So we chose that. And you come over to the left hand side of your screen. You see upload right here. Click on upload. You're going to see upload media, record yourself. So we're recording our screen. So we're going to record. We're going to choose the record yourself option. So we click on record yourself. It brings us over here, and this is what it will look like. Please, this is not what, this is my OBS camera I'm using on that. I'm not using this on that record I have on my system. So you choose on screen share. If you want camera only, it focuses on you and record you as if it's your video recorder. But if you want to share your screen, the purpose of this video is to share our screen, record our screen for tutorials, for people into education, want to record our screen. So you click on here, screen share. It's going to bring record the entire screen, record Windows, record Chrome tab. You can choose what tab you want to record if you want to focus on a specific tab. But we're not choosing a tab to record on. We want to record our entire screen. So if you're using double screens, if you're using multiple screen, you can choose it to display all the screens you want to record, and you can choose which screen you want to choose. But for now, I have only one screen I'm using, so I'll choose this. Once you've chosen that, you say share. Once you've shared that, it's going to ask you which camera option do you want to use. For now, it's choosing my OBS virtual camera. You could choose to use your integrated camera, which would show your face if you want to show your face on the recording, or you could choose no camera. So let's go back to our integrated camera. So you can move this stuff around. So you can move this stuff around depending on where you want it to be. You can move it around. You can move it around depending on what you want, where you want it to be actually in your screen. You can drag it here. You can drag it up here, depending on where you want it to be positioned on your screen. You can move it, or you can decide not to use a camera. So you come back here if you choose not to use the camera and choose no camera. So that is basically what you want to do here. And once you've done that, you've chosen to not use a camera, you go to hide. You have to hide this stuff. It says www.canva.com is sharing your screen. So you click on hide this part. So we want to hide this. We don't want it to be showing when we are recording our screen. So once you've done that, we'll choose on record, and there is a countdown, blah 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 blah. So what is recording our screen now? You choose, if you choose to record this tab, or let's move over to another tab to go record. So you come down here on that, come down to the taskbar and choose the tab you want to record. Ta-da! Brought us on that place. You can say what you want to record here. Once you're done doing your tutorials, or you could choose your folders, or you could, whatever it is you want to record, whichever tutorials it is you want to do, whatever you want to record, you just record it. Once you're done, you return back to where you are recording. Once you return back to where you're recording, you click on done. You see that? Once you're done, it's going to play your recording. Let's play and see what we recorded. So once it's recording our screen now, you choose, if you choose to record this tab, or let's move over to another tab to go record. So you come down here. So you see you've recorded your screen, and you say save and exit. you click on save and edit. So it's going to automatically upload your recordings. Yeah. So once it's recording our screen, it's going to automatically upload your recording. So I'll be deleting this here. Once it's done uploading, I want to drag it and show you how to place it so that you can fill up your screen. You can decide to trim it or whatever. So the beautiful thing, it works on Canva paid free subscription and also on pro subscription. So whichever subscription you have, you can record your screen and you can trim these videos. You don't need to pay for you to be able to do all these things with Canva. So it's done uploading, and we drag and drop it here. So let's drag and drop this. Okay, let's not do that. So you see it has filled up our screen. So you can choose to, let's play the video and see what it looks like. This is 43 seconds. So once it's recording our screen now, you choose, if you choose to record this tab, or let's move over to another tab to go record. So you come down here on that, come down to the, so here now the beautiful thing is that you can trim your video, add effects, do whatever you want to do here in Canva. So let's split some parts we don't want to be in the video. Let's click, maybe we don't want this part to be, we click on it, we split, we click on the part we want to take out of the video, we split again, and we'll click on the part we don't want to be in the video, we delete. You see that? You can edit your recordings there. You can decide to click, trim out the beginning parts of it, you split it, and you click on the one you want to be deleting, you delete. Easy peasy. Just that way, as much as you can record your screen with Canva. So thank you for watching. If you got value from this video, please like the video so we can push it up, comment, and please subscribe. Don't forget to subscribe if you not subscribe. Bye bye. See you in the next video.